This is a simple chemical reaction, as we are chemical reactions ourselves, but we are about 1,000,000 times more complicated. Now, just because we have reached a state of complication so complicated that we've achieved a state of consciousness doesn't mean that we are going to exist forever in some kind of state beyond that with which we can see, hear, and perceive, just because we're more complicated chemical reactions, the same way as the candle will not exist in another state after it is out. It's a simple concept, but seems hard for some people to understand that, and maybe the will to live forever is simply so needed that it scares them so much they have to come up with something else. It doesn't change anything, though. Just because you want something to be true doesn't mean that it will be. It doesn't matter how much you want it to be true. You're still going to go out, just like the candle will. You're not going to go anywhere, you're just going to go up in smoke. You're going to not exist. When you were born, you began, and when you died, you stopped. It doesn't lessen the experience of existence. Just because you do not live forever doesn't mean that none of it mattered. Mattered to you, I hope. As mine existence matters to me, yes, it does. I would rather live my life with a clear head and want to know how the world really works and try to find that out than exist in some kind of adolescent fantasy about gods, demons, devils, and this black and white sick idea of what justice is, or goodness or evil. I would rather go out